Welcome to the introduction video for the ThermoPro TP920 Bluetooth cooking thermometer. Out of the box, you will receive one customer support card, one user manual, one TP920 Bluetooth cooking thermometer, one charging cord, one probe clip, and two stainless steel temperature probes. Let's go over the buttons and features. Press the power button on the back of the device to power it on. Press and hold the Fahrenheit Celsius button for 3 seconds to change the units of measurement. There's an alarm button to enable and disable the alert noise for set temperatures. The charging port is located underneath the silicone cover. It is equipped with a tabletop stand, 2 probe ports, a hanging hole, and a backlight for usage in low light conditions. Now let's go over how to set up your device. Go ahead and insert the probes into the side of the device. Open up the user manual and scan the QR code, which will prompt you to download the ThermoPro Barbecue app. Once it's finished downloading, open the app and click Start Pairing. Congratulations, you've successfully paired your device to your phone. To set a preset meat option, choose a probe, select the type of meat you're cooking, and adjust your preferred doneness level and then select Set. To set a high and low temperature alarm, choose a probe and select Ambient Temperature. You can then adjust your high and low temperature settings, then select Set. To set a custom temperature setting, choose a probe and then select the red plus sign to create your own custom setting. Choose between a target or range setting. Adjust to your preference, select Save, and select your custom setting and then press Set. There is a customizable timer option available for both probes. There is a temperature graph feature that monitors your cooking progress, which can be downloaded and saved to your phone for future reference. To access the app settings, click the 3 bullets in the top left and then select Settings. You can set your preferred unit of measurement. You can enable a disconnection notice for when your phone disconnects from your device. You can enable an alarm setting for the timer feature and choose between various alert options. You can enable a pre-alarm temperature as well as a vibration alarm. You are now ready to set up and use your brand new ThermoPro TP920 Bluetooth cooking thermometer.